ultimate guide to omnichannel marketing and advertising strategies for beginners in 2024. Step 1. Define your target audience. Identify your ideal customer demographics, interests, behaviors, and pain points. Create buyer personas to guide your marketing efforts. Use data analytics tools to segment your audience and tailor your messaging. Step 2. Develop a unified brand strategy. Establish a clear brand voice, tone, and visual identity across all channels. Create a consistent message and value proposition across all touchpoints. Ensure all marketing materials align with your brand strategy. Step 3. Set up your omnichannel infrastructure. Choose the right marketing automation platform, MAP, for your needs. Integrate your MAP with your CRM, ERP, and other systems. Set up data pipelines to collect and analyze customer data. Step 4. Create a cross-channel content strategy. Develop a content calendar that aligns with your brand strategy. Create content that resonates with your target audience across multiple channels, email, social media, blog, etc. Repurpose and optimize content for different channels. Step 5. Leverage social media advertising. Choose the right social media platforms for your target audience. Create targeted ads using social media advertising platforms, Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads, etc. Optimize ad campaigns for conversions, engagement, and ROI. Step 6. Optimize your email marketing strategy. Segment your email list to ensure targeted messaging. Use email marketing automation tools to personalize and optimize emails. A/B test subject lines, CTAs, and content to improve engagement. Step 7. Implement customer journey mapping. Map the customer journey across all touchpoints and channels. Identify pain points and opportunities for improvement. Develop targeted marketing campaigns to address customer needs. Step 8. Leverage customer reviews and testimonials. Encourage customers to leave reviews and testimonials on multiple channels. Use social proof to build trust and credibility with potential customers. Showcase customer success stories in marketing campaigns. Step 9. Optimize your website for omnichannel. Ensure a seamless user experience across devices and browsers. Implement responsive design and mobile-first development. Optimize website loading speed and page performance. Step 10. Integrate chatbots and AI-powered assistants. Implement chatbots on your website and social media channels. Use AI-powered assistants to provide personalized customer support. Leverage machine learning to analyze customer behavior and preferences. Step 11. Leverage influencer marketing. Partner with influencers who align with your brand values and target audience. Use influencer marketing platforms to identify and vet influencers. Measure influencer campaign performance using metrics like engagement rates and conversions. Step 12. Run retargeting ads. Use retargeting ads to target customers who have abandoned carts or visited your website. Leverage lookalike targeting to reach new customers who resemble existing customers. Optimize retargeting ad campaigns for conversions and ROI. Step 13. Optimize your mobile app strategy. Develop a mobile app that provides value to customers. Use push notifications to re-engage customers who have downloaded your app. Leverage in-app analytics to measure user behavior and optimize the app experience. Step 14. Monitor and measure performance. Use data analytics tools to track performance across all channels. Measure key performance indicators, KPIs such as engagement rates, conversions, and ROI. Use data insights to optimize marketing campaigns and improve customer experiences. Step 15. Stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices. Attend industry conferences and webinars to stay informed about the latest trends and best practices. Join online communities and forums to network with other marketers and stay up to date on industry developments. Continuously educate yourself on the latest omnichannel marketing strategies and technologies. By following these 15 steps, you'll be well on your way to creating an effective omnichannel marketing strategy that drives customer engagement, conversions, and revenue growth in 2024.